Jello salad. The Jello salad is going to be made with gelatin here from the store you can purchase, and fruit that you can also purchase from the store, and organic fruits, no sugar added. We have peaches, pineapple, pears, we have cherries, and organic juice. So these are the items that we will be using. So first of all, we need to cut the fruit to bite-sized pieces. So it doesn't make any difference if they're large bite size, small bite size, just so they're bite-sized pieces, and then we're going to set them off to the side. Hi everyone, I'm back again just to show you how we're going to put this Jello dish together. This is a dish that my kids loved when they were little, but we can't eat it now, so I have made it so that it is a dish that they're able to eat. First of all, we're going to take the liquid 2 cups of juice and put it into a pan. We'll get that on the stove to heat up. You want that to start simmering, but do not let it boil. Second of all, we'll take the kombucha. We're using lime soda, lemon flavored kombucha. We'll take that, put it into a bowl. Grass-fed gelatin, not collagen, but gelatin, actual gelatin. You sprinkle that on the top. And that will all soak up the moisture and it will bloom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's rising. It's getting bigger. Okay, now that the juice is hot, you want it to be hot, but you don't want it to be boiling. You will take that juice and pour it in over everything. Wire whisk or a spoon or something. You just want to stir it to make sure all the gelatin is dissolved. This is where the fruit comes in. You add your fruit. And give it a good stir. And then you just want to refrigerate this till it's set, probably about 3 hours or up to overnight. Okay, and so for filming purposes, we've already had one set. And we're going to put this one aside. So you see all the fruit is suspended in the gelatin. So now what we need to do is take this and break up all the gelatin. You want to break it up very well. You want to break it up into small pieces, as small as you can. Okay, now that we've broken up all the gelatin and fruit, and it's all sitting in this nice pan, which we put it in, we will add our cocoa whip. It's kind of like Cool Whip, but it's made from coconut milk. You can add as much or as little as you like. I like a lot. And then just stir it together. Now that the dish is done, we'll plate it up and we'll try it. Now let's see how it tastes. You get the taste of the fruit, the taste of the Jello, and a little bit of sparkle from the kombucha. It's wonderful.